R.I.P. Dog Judah, Zorora in peace tonight. Zimbabwe they crying, but your spirit is bright. Wakadzokera kumusha, searching for peace inside. I see death yakauya sudden, no place to hide. Moyo yedu yarwadza, hearts are broken today. Dog Judah watisia, but your name will stay. Wakafamba hard roads with struggle and pain. I see wakaramba wakasimba standing in the rain. Kunyangwe misati falling, tears in our eyes. Your life was a lesson, a truth not lies. Vakada kukuputa but you still stood tall. Wakada ramachokwadi, you gave your all. From the streets to the nation, your story was real. Now heaven has you, that's what we feel. R.I.P. my brother, Zorora in peace. Your suffering got better, your worry cease. Tino tender everyone who helped your way. Your legacy lives on every single day. R.I.P. Dog Judah, rest easy above. Your life yakaratiza, true human love. Tino tender vanuvese who stood by your side. When hope was fading, they refused to hide. Vakatraga imbanewe, building dreams so strong. Vakakuratiza kindness when things went wrong. Fuel station plans, a future so clear. I see life yakachinja, we lost you here. Kunyangwe swisina kupera, the vision